On a previous episode, I bought a storage unit for $198, a 10 by 10 in Casa Grande, Arizona. There were some interesting finds in here, but I'm really worried and I'm not too sure I'm going to make a profit on this unit. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you guys an unboxing of some mystery boxes, see if we can kind of double back up and make some cashola with this unit, because it's looking pretty slim. So let's see what we do. Truck's fully loaded here. A lot of stuff I didn't show you guys in the other video clips there. So there's going to be a lot of good mystery box stuff to open up here and hopefully find some treasures, because this unit has been a little dismal, and it's going to be rough to make some cashola on this one. I think if those porcelain dolls work out, that might make the money, but there's enough here I think that we'll do okay, but I'm a little leery. Okay, we've got a tote here. Just going to kind of go through it and show you guys what's in here. I'm worn out. It was hot and humid in that unit today, so enjoying a Corona here. All right, some kind of hat. I got a donation box right here. Stuff I'm going to donate. A triangle square. Got UPS pulling up. Got some paperwork. Ooh. Used postcards. We'll give that back. Paperwork. This unit had a ton of paperwork in it. A ton. Almost borderline hoardish. Actually, June Taylor? Looks like some kind of necklace holder. I might actually keep that for flea markets. Nice. Bubble wrap. Icy thing, that's trash. Okay, we got some bagpipe music. Give it a spin. Nicole Nordman with a CDR in it. Trash. June 2005 hits. Fort Davis, Marfa, Big Bend. Is that even in here? I'll give that a spin. Some JPEGs. Give that back to them. Looks like we got another belt here. Size 40. It's a nice belt. That's sellable. Sell that at the flea market. A little pole. That's flea market material. Got ourselves a hammer. Nupla fiberglass hammer. I do really well locally with hammers, so that's a nice find. That's $5. Stanley hacksaw. Some beads. Okay, that's ghetto. Salt and paper shaker. Missing the bottom. So that's trash. Put that in the trash pile here. Got a little handsaw. There goes UPS. Here was a nice carved, looks like a kind of animal, but chewed up. That's trash. Here we got a ton of books. I'm not gonna bore you with all the books here, but there is some interesting ones, like Ghosts of the Glen Canyon. So we're gonna make a little pile of these, see if these are Amazon or eBay ready. See if we can sell them online. Roadside Americana, that's cool. I like that. It's really cool. What do we got here? A boar snake pistol cleaner. Appears to be brand new. We'll look that up and see if that's worth selling online. some photos here. We'll give those back. More books. Actually, I think this whole section here is books. Oh, there's a little case down here. Happy birthday. Give that back. Oh, we got a little case. What's in the case? Recipes. So we'll throw all that out and keep the case. Use it for the flea market. Salt. That's trash. Probably because they... Ooh, what do we got in here? Canister sets. That'll sell locally. Einstein would love this. Now that sounds like science. So some little stamps. Ooh, we got a nice staple gun here. Arrow Fastener Company out of Saddlebrook, New Jersey. That's pretty solid. These aren't cheap. That's a nice find. Okay. I'm gonna settle these books down here and we'll get back to what's at the bottom of this box. Primer of Drug Action, a conscious guide to the actions, uses, and side effects of psychoactive drugs. 8th edition, $21.95. We'll look that up. Okay, here we go. What do you got here? Power Shot Tool Company, forward action stapling. Oh, another staple gun. That's nice. Appears to be well made. Made in the United States. Let's look that up. This has turned out to be a good little bucket. Trash. Got a license plate. Moopless? A DVD, Volcanoes of the Deep Sea. Is it in here? Yes, it is. Always check the DVDs. Some kind of seashell. Trees are for hugging. How nice. Oh, we got a textbook here. That's a big one. Anatomy and psychology. Kind of beat up, but we'll give it a little whirl. Let's see what's worth selling. Got some x-ray film in here. Got a hawk feather. What do we got here? Marine Corps flag. Yep, that's sellable. And it looks like we just got some personal stuff here. Some x-rays. Are they x-rays? Oh. Mississippi Town repeals science. 2005. Kind of weird. This just appears to be like just nothing really. That's garbage. So that kind of ends up this tote here. We'll grab another one and keep rummaging through it. All right, let's see what we have here. This box is completely dusty. Winchester grip. Huh. Might be worth something. Never know. What do we got here? Avon Gift Collection 1994. It's in the box there, so mess with that later. Just some plastic flutes. Garbage. We got all these newspapers here, so what's in here? Just some of the stuff I'm going through, guys. It's like makes no sense. I'm starting to wonder if like somebody got evicted and they just started throwing stuff in a box. Because there's no rhyme or reason to some of this stuff. Got a tape gun, tape dispenser. You never have too many of those in the reseller. Melted duct tape. And it appears to be just newspapers. Navajo Times. So I don't know. Folk art acrylic paint is dried out. So this whole box is legitimately trash. Everything in this box is just trash. Set it over there. We've got this one here now, which is, I saw this in a picture. All I saw was this red hook. I thought it was a sign. I was actually like, man, that'd be great if it was a sign, but it turned out to be just a 12-pack box that somebody used. So let's open up and see what it is. Pull up the old K-bar. All right, ooh, it's looking a little interesting here. Oh, come on, Mike, open the sides. Ooh, this looks promising. What do we got in here? Everything Else Volume 2. Not sure what that is. CD or DVD. Oh, the Beatles' Yellow Submarine. 1987 Christmas Tree. Some kind of church thing. We got some, looks like this is some homemade kind of like religious stuff. Kind of neat. And life wouldn't be complete without Marilyn Monroe playing cards. We got Vertigo. Is it in here? Yes, it is. Moulin Rouge DVD. Oh, ooh. Fraggle Rock DVD, the complete first season. That's nice. Of Two Minds DVD, music, Glee concert, 12 Monkeys. And we've got some movies here. Espanol with Juan. Nick's Party. Ooh, that might be interesting. So we got some homemade movies here. Lewis and Clark. Hitchcock's Rear Window. So, not a bad little box. I'll take that. Let's grab another box here and I'll show you guys what else we got. Jump on in, Kim. What are you thinking about this unit so far?
I'm not impressed.
Shit.
Not impressed.
All right. I wish we had some Lagunitas right about now. Lagunitas. We got two boxes we're opening up here. Watch your fingers.
Well, I'm going the opposite direction of myself.
K-bars are sharp.
Okay, well, I'm going
Now this one says heavy marble vase.
We'll find out, won't we?
I was just going through a photo album and they went to all these concerts. I found some concert ticket stubs, so nothing crazy. I'm looking for the t-shirts. Like, they're Grateful Dead fans and Jimmy Buffett fans.
That's not a knife.
That's
This is
not
a knife.
This is a knife.
All right, heavy marble vase. Are you in here? Oh, yeah.
It is a heavy marble vase.
It is a heavy marble vase.
Let's see. Ooh.
Back in so that
See, I was getting excited because it had Starbucks on there, so I was like, more Starbucks. That's nice.
it was nice.
How much did you sell it for locally?
30 bucks?
30 bucks. It's supposed to be a bad unit. You're pricing too high. All right.
What are you selling it for?
8?
No.
No? More than that? 10?
I put 30 on it. Probably get 20 maybe.
All right. Lagunitas. How do you pronounce this?
Lagunitas.
Lagunitas. Oh, boy. Vichas. Oh, there's some DVDs in here. Let's see.
What's the first rule of Fight Club?
We don't talk about Fight Club. Conquest Planet of the Apes.
We better be careful because we found some not so appropriate things earlier.
Yeah, she's kind of nasty. The story is they went through a divorce. Teacher, national park employee, I don't know.
Marble like dominoes.
With cows.
With cows.
Are they heavy?
Not
No,
really.
they're cheap. What would you sell that locally? $2?
I don't know if it's a complete size. $5.
$5, you're in? Oh gosh. So Plain and Jane. I really want to know the meaning of life, don't you? The meaning of life.
I'm still trying to figure it out.
Jimmy Buffett concert. See? I'm looking for the concert stuff.
Oh, this one's sealed. Flags of Our Fathers.
Oh, probably not worth
This
much.
one's sealed.
Oh, bonus.
The Mothman Prophecies.
Nice. Is that Thin Red Line with Sean Penn? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen that.
Yes, we have.
Have we?
Yes. Several times. Oh, another one. Letters from Iwo Jima.
Oh, Paul Simon Graceland concert.
Oh, yeah, that was a good concert.
Jackie Brown. See, it's all the common.
The Graduate.
Uh-oh. Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band on VHS. Might be worth something.
Sealed Marilyn Monroe Hometown Story.
I got it. The Muppets from Manhattan.
No, The Muppets Take Manhattan.
Oh.
I could tell you that. Didn't you ever watch The Muppets?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Or you'd have known that. Stand and Deliver. That's a good one.
What is it?
Stand and Deliver.
Oh, yeah. That's my boy, Lou Diamond.
Yeah. It's a good one.
SpongeBob. So hopefully some of these DVDs pan out. Ooh, the Dark Crystal.
Dark Crystal. My sister loves the Dark Crystal, and I'll tell you what, I was scared poopless watching this when I was a kid, and my mom would make me watch it over and over, and I hated it because it scared me.
Does that explain everything?
It kind of probably does.
You were forced to watch the Pink Floyd The Wall too, right?
Yeah, well, that's a completely different story. But this guy, these guys, these bird-like things,
Creatures.
oh my God, nightmares of those things.
I found Fraggle Rock on DVD.
Oh, see, now that's nice and wholesome, isn't it? Fraggle Rock.
Yeah, so we're down to the bottom here. What
Don
else we got?
Juan. Don Juan de
No,
Marco.
no Laquitingas. Don Juan.
Don Juan. The Emperor's New Groove. Secret of Nim. Oh, I liked that one. I used to watch that. SpongeBob Goes Prehistoric.
Oh man.
I can't. But I can like tequila.
All right. Nothing
Oh,
too crazy in
that
there. We
was-
got some sealed DVDs, but I mean, yeah, I think
Nah.
$10. You think more than that? Locally?
It is heavy marble. I'm thinking at minimum 20.
We'll see. Sure, it'll be in a future video. That's for sure. Just going through some of these bags here. I want to point out some of this stuff. Some seashells. This is cool. Coal from the mining museum in Helper, Utah. A bag of coal. Maybe I can give to the kids when they're not good, when Santa's coming around for Christmas. The Samsung Verizon phone, and it's got 4G on it, so maybe it's new, maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll see if we can turn it on and get to work. Maybe it's worth something, maybe it's not. This is neat. This is an autograph. Michelle Kwan, world champion Olympic skater autograph. Not sure if it's worth any money. And we got some more stamps here to add to the old stamp collection for an eBay auction. So yeah, not too bad. We're gonna keep digging. All right, we've got plenty of other stuff to unbox, but I'm gonna call it a night here because I'm drained. We've got two different piles going on here. This one to the left is all stuff that's personal, that's going back to the locker, and the one to the right here is all stuff that will be donated. So I've got these two here we need to go through, and I think there's some good stuff in this one. Let's get a little sneak peek. No! Ugh. We've got that. And I roughly have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 5, about 15 boxes I haven't shown you guys. So maybe there's some better stuff in these boxes here, but we're going to go through these another day. Appreciate you watching today's video. Go out there and be great. We'll do some more digging in the coming days. Got to get this stuff sorted, organized, and sold. Again, I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Till next time, out of here. Peace. Video, storage auction, junkage, over. What does the centrifuge do?
You put the little, like, the little tubes in it, and then it spins it around and mixes it together and stuff.
Doesn't it sound fun just to say centrifuge?
It's a fun word.
Centrifuge.